Now children, question number 3 of this exercise. Question number 3, it is written number of children in 6 different classes are given and classes are written, represent the data on the graph. And this information which is given is class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and number of children are shown. You have to write this information in the form of a graph. So choose a scale. So I will see that the smallest number is 80 and all the numbers are 80, 90, 100, 95. So what I will do, I can take a scale and I will make a vertical line, then I will make a horizontal line. The first criteria of making a graph is we make a vertical line and we make a horizontal line. And since we have to make bar graph, your graph paper will have 1 centimeter marks. On this side we will make an arrow and here we will mention that it is the class. So here we will write class, that is on this side we are writing class, and the class is 6th, 7th, there is a gap in between 8th, 9th, so on. So class 6, class 7, class 8 will be written here, and here we will make equal divisions. Now these divisions are easy because these divisions you will make according to your graph, the graph paper. The numbers which you have to take are starting from the lowest number is 80, then after that it is multiple. So we can take a suitable scale. It is written, how will you choose a scale? So we can choose any scale method and then we have to answer the following. So what I will do, this part of the graph, this part is considered as 0 because it is the beginning of the left side as well as the top side. Okay, now what we will do, since it is 0, we can take numbers as I can take the number as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It should be equal gap. I can take 20, 40, 60, 80. This way also I can take, and in between we will write the numbers. So what I will do is I can take a scale of, because the multiples are 5, all the numbers are multiple of 5, so I can take multiples of 15. That means I can take number here starting from 15, 30, 45, 60, 90 and so on. After I have written that, now I have to just plot. First number is 5th, so 5th will come where? So first rectangle is 5th, it is 135. Your 135 you will have to extend the graph. When you will extend the graph, somewhere 135 will come. So first rectangle will reach till 135. Using scale and pencil you will draw the first rectangle, and at the top of the rectangle you will write 135 because it is reaching till 135. First number is 135, second number is 120. So when you will make the scale means the numbers which you write here, these numbers will start from 15 and reach up to more than 135, because the largest number given in the question is 135. So multiple of 15 you will take. Wherever 135 comes, there you will stop and there you will write the number. Now in this way we will make the next one is 120. So wherever 120 comes, you will make the rectangle till 120. The next number is 95. So 95 will come till where? So wherever 95 comes, it will come between 90 and 105. So you will measure it and then draw rectangle, and at the top of the rectangle you will write 95. This way we will make all the rectangles and the graph will be complete. And the question is, answer the following questions. Which class has the maximum number of children? So this is simple, you have to draw the graph. Which class has maximum children? Maximum children are 135. 135 are in class 5. Find the ratio of students of class 6 to students of class 8. So find the ratio of students of class 6 to class 8. Class 6 students are 120 and class 8 students are 100. You have to find ratio between them. So what is the ratio? Class 6 students are 120 ratio 100. So your number will be 120 ratio 100. And then simplify the ratio like you have done in comparing quantities. This much you have to do in this question.